This is the new iPad Pro 2018. You can see it's 256 GB iPad Pro 11-inch iPad Plus as well. I got it from outside because it was not available in India as of yet. I already have been using it for a week now, but I'll still show it to you because I'm using it in India as well. And it's practically not much available in India right now. So this is the new iPad. As you can see, I've already configured everything. Looks pretty good. Look at the back as well. There will be a little difference because I've put up a screen protector on the back as well as on the front, because it's the glass in the front as well. This is the box which you get with it. It comes with the charger and the manuals and the standard stuff, nothing extra. So this iPad is really gorgeous. Works pretty well. The display ratio is pretty good. Unlocking is very fast. Few apps, the apps which are designed by Apple are working all fine, but the apps which are the third party one are still yet not compatible because I play PUBG lot, but when I try to play, it goes by the aspect ratio and the sides are better. But overall, this is a great experience.